what is happening in the world of AI and tech right now. We're diving into the latest breakthroughs, the game changers, and the updates you absolutely cannot afford to miss. The pace of innovation is relentless, and here at ChatGPT Insights, we're dedicated to bringing you the most crucial developments as they break. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the tech landscape that's shaping our future. From groundbreaking platforms that are set to redefine industries to new features that are changing how we interact with technology daily, this is your essential briefing. Don't blink, because you might just miss the next big thing. We've got major players making bold moves, innovative solutions emerging from unexpected places, and critical comparisons that will help you navigate this complex, fast-evolving ecosystem. Stick with us to stay ahead of the curve. You won't want to miss a single second of this. First up, can Willis Towers Gemini redefine how insurers manage complex risks? We're exploring a new digital insurance innovation designed to tackle escalating complexities and unpredictable market conditions, offering clients enhanced assurance and efficiency. This platform promises streamlined claims and built-in price advantages, potentially reshaping the insurance landscape. Then, we're diving into Google's Gemini app and its new temporary chat feature, offering a more private and controlled way to interact with the AI. Plus, we're pitting Gemini head-to-head with ChatGPT in a detailed comparison of functionality, platforms, and pricing to help you decide which AI reigns supreme for your needs. And finally, we've got a sneak peek at the Gemini Weekly Horoscope for September 1st to 7th, focusing on adaptability, curiosity, and focus. Make sure you're subscribed, and the notification bell is on so you never miss an update. Can Willis Towers Gemini redefine how insurers manage complex risks? Willis Towers Watson, through its Willis business, has launched Gemini, a significant advancement in digital insurance innovation. This platform is engineered to confront the escalating complexities and unpredictable volatility inherent in today's market conditions. Its core objective is to provide clients with a heightened degree of assurance and consistency in their outcomes, even amidst profound uncertainty. Gemini is meticulously designed to deliver enhanced reliability and operational efficiency across the entirety of a client's insurance programs. A key feature is its support from A+ rated Lloyd's syndicates, coupled with integrated price advantages that translate into tangible cost savings for users. The platform demonstrates a remarkable capacity to manage a wide array of risks, including those that are exceptionally intricate, while simultaneously accelerating the placement process by automatically aligning with established lead terms. This streamlined approach minimizes the need for protracted negotiations and ensures quicker access to coverage. The claims handling process is another area where Gemini introduces significant improvements. By directly matching lead settlements, the platform aims to drastically reduce disputes and eliminate unnecessary delays, ensuring that claims are processed smoothly and efficiently. Furthermore, Gemini provides prearranged and consistently available capacity, which is crucial for fostering long-term stability and bolstering confidence, particularly during the critical annual renewal periods. This consistent capacity acts as a bulwark against market fluctuations, offering clients a predictable and dependable resource. From a business perspective, the introduction of Gemini is poised to positively impact WTW's financial trajectory. It is expected to drive revenue growth through the acquisition of new clients and the reinforcement of relationships with existing ones, leading to improved client retention. The digital automation embedded within Gemini is designed to streamline key processes such as quoting, binding, and claims management. This automation not only enhances efficiency, but also plays a vital role in reducing operational costs and improving overall profit margins. The scalable architecture of the platform also opens up promising avenues for the introduction of additional services and the development of cross-selling opportunities, further diversifying WTW's revenue streams and strengthening its market position. Strategically, Gemini is positioned to solidify WTW's standing in the competitive insurance market. By delivering enhanced value and a superior client experience, the platform is expected to reinforce client trust and loyalty. This, in turn, will provide a strong foundation for long-term growth and contribute to increased shareholder confidence in the company's future prospects. The platform's ability to handle complex risks efficiently and cost-effectively sets a new benchmark for the industry. This digital transformation initiative by WTW aligns with broader industry trends where AI and advanced analytics are becoming indispensable tools for managing risk and optimizing operations. Competitors like Aon, with its broker Copilot, and Marsh & McLennan Companies, utilizing its LenAI platform, are also investing heavily in similar technologies to enhance client advisory services and operational efficiency. WTW's Gemini appears to be a direct response to these advancements, aiming to maintain and enhance its competitive edge. User impact. Industry analysts note that WTW's Gemini platform could set a new standard for efficiency and risk management in the insurance sector, with early indicators suggesting positive client reception to its streamlined processes and cost-saving features. The focus on complex risks and consistent capacity is particularly seen as a strong draw for businesses navigating an increasingly unpredictable global economic climate. This innovative platform is poised to reshape the insurance landscape. Next, we'll explore a new privacy feature rolling out for Google's Gemini app. Gemini app rolls out temporary chat. Google's Gemini app is now widely rolling out a highly anticipated feature, temporary chat. This new functionality allows users to engage in conversations that are isolated from their main chat history and are not used for training the AI models, offering a significant boost to user privacy and control. To access this feature, users can open the side panel within the Gemini app on either web or mobile. There, they will find a new circular icon, depicted as a dashed message bubble, positioned next to the new chat option located beneath the search field. Upon initiating a temporary chat, the interface will display temporary chat instead of the usual greeting message. Google has provided a clear explanation of its function. Temporary chats don't appear in recent chats or Gemini app's activity and aren't used to train models or personalize your experience. To help respond to you and keep Gemini safe, temporary chats are saved for 72 hours. This means that while the conversation is temporarily stored for safety and response purposes, it remains invisible to the user's activity logs and does not influence future AI training or personalization. The prompt bar and the top of the screen, above the model picker, will also indicate when a user is within a temporary chat thread, showing Ask in a temporary chat. Once a user exits a temporary conversation, they will lose access to that specific chat history, reinforcing the ephemeral nature of these interactions. It's important to note that certain features are not available within a temporary chat, although the specific limitations are not detailed in the initial announcement. This privacy-focused approach is currently available for personal Google accounts, with no word yet on its availability for work or school accounts. The feature is reportedly rolling out across Android, iOS, and the web interfaces. In parallel with this privacy update, Google is also having some fun with its recent launch of Gemini 2.5 Flash, playfully referring to it as Nano Banana. This lighthearted approach is reflected in the addition of a new emoji to the Tools menu within the Gemini interface, signaling Google's ongoing efforts to make its AI interactions more engaging and user-friendly. The rollout of temporary chat is a direct response to user feedback and growing concerns about data privacy in AI interactions, positioning Gemini as a more user-centric and trustworthy AI assistant. User impact. The introduction of temporary chat has been met with positive reactions from privacy-conscious users who appreciate the ability to have sensitive conversations or explore AI capabilities without creating a permanent record or influencing future AI responses. This feature is seen as a significant step towards building greater trust in AI platforms. This privacy enhancement is a game changer for user interaction. Now, let's dive into a direct comparison between Gemini and another AI giant, ChatGPT. Gemini versus ChatGPT. How do these popular AIs compare, and which is best for you? In the rapidly expanding universe of artificial intelligence, distinguishing between the leading platforms can be a daunting task. Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT stand out as two of the most prominent AI companions, and as they continuously evolve, the question of which one is superior for individual needs becomes increasingly pertinent. Whether you are a seasoned professional in the AI field or a newcomer seeking basic information, understanding their core functionalities, platform integrations, and pricing structures is essential. This comparison aims to illuminate the strengths and weaknesses of both Gemini and ChatGPT across various dimensions. Google Gemini represents an evolution beyond the familiar Google Assistant, integrating advanced AI capabilities into a single, powerful platform. It excels at processing data from diverse sources, understanding context, and synthesizing information from images, audio, and text into easily digestible summaries. Launched initially in December 2023, Gemini has since absorbed other Google products like Bard and Duet AI. The latest iteration, Gemini 2.5 Pro, offers enhanced reasoning capabilities, providing more nuanced and comprehensive answers to complex queries. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, functions primarily as an AI chatbot. It allows users to ask questions and receive generated replies, serving as a versatile tool for general conversation, information seeking, and even advice. Its capabilities extend to more intensive tasks such as debugging code and generating images. OpenAI is continually upgrading its models, with GPT-5 anticipated in early August 2025, promising even faster, more thoughtful responses and advanced creative features like image generation and draft production. One of Gemini's key advantages lies in its integrated ecosystem. It offers a broader range of functionalities directly within the AI, including video generation with a Google AI Pro subscription, image creation, data processing, and research assistance. Gemini also features Gemini Live, enabling natural, conversational interaction via microphone while the AI analyzes on-screen content or even camera feeds. While Gemini cannot perform physical tasks, it can provide instructions for them, with Google developing robotic assistants for future physical applications. Gemini's free tier has a limit of approximately 100 prompts per day, with notifications upon nearing the limit. Paid subscriptions, such as Google AI Pro at $19.99 per month, offer higher prompt limits and access to tools like video generation. In contrast, ChatGPT, while powerful, is largely limited to chatbot functionalities. Users can converse with it and request tasks, but it cannot execute them directly, such as creating a spreadsheet, though it can provide the necessary formulas. ChatGPT can generate images, but not videos, which require separate OpenAI products like Sora. Free ChatGPT users face message limits every 5 hours, based on character input rather than a fixed number, roughly equating to 10 messages within that window. ChatGPT's premium tier, also $20 per month, provides access to advanced models like GPT-5 or GPT-4o, enhanced voice modes, and unlimited usage. Accessibility is broad for both. Gemini is available via web browser and dedicated Android and iOS apps. Android users can even replace their default Google Assistant with Gemini. ChatGPT is similarly accessible through web browsers and mobile apps for both iOS and Android. Data privacy differs. Gemini activity is stored for 18 months by default but can be adjusted in settings, and chats can be used for training unless temporary chat or Gemini apps activity tracking is turned off. ChatGPT also uses prompts for training, but allows users to opt out via settings, "Do not train on my content." However, ChatGPT offers less control over overall data retention, though individual prompts can be deleted from history. In summary, Gemini offers a wider array of integrated features, including video generation and research assistance, making it more versatile. ChatGPT excels as a conversational AI, providing a more focused chatbot experience. The choice between them depends heavily on individual user needs and priorities, with Gemini leading in functional breadth and ChatGPT in conversational depth. User impact. The comparison highlights Gemini's advantage in integrated features and its potential as an all-in-one AI solution, while ChatGPT is praised for its sophisticated conversational abilities. Users are weighing the trade-offs between functionality breadth and conversational nuance. With these AI powerhouses compared, let's look ahead at what the stars might hold. We'll check out the Gemini Weekly Horoscope next. Gemini Weekly Horoscope, 1st September, 7th September. Adaptability, curiosity, and focus shape your week ahead. As September begins, the celestial alignment for those under the Gemini sign suggests a week where adaptability, a thirst for knowledge, and sustained focus will be paramount. This period is particularly conducive for leveraging intellectual curiosity and embracing change to navigate both personal and professional spheres effectively. The overarching theme for the week of September 1st to September 7th emphasizes the importance of flexibility. Unexpected shifts or new information may emerge, requiring Geminis to adjust their plans and perspectives readily. Rather than viewing these changes as disruptions, the stars encourage embracing them as opportunities for growth and learning. This adaptable mindset will be crucial for maintaining momentum and achieving desired outcomes. Curiosity is highlighted as a driving force throughout the week. Geminis are advised to actively seek out new information, explore different viewpoints, and engage in activities that stimulate their intellect. Whether through reading, research, or engaging conversations, satisfying this innate curiosity will lead to valuable insights and potentially open doors to new avenues of personal development or career advancement. This intellectual exploration is not just for knowledge's sake, but is positioned to yield practical benefits. Complementing adaptability and curiosity is the need for focus. While the week may present numerous distractions and opportunities vying for attention, maintaining concentration on key objectives will be essential. Geminis are encouraged to set clear priorities and dedicate their energy to tasks that align with their long-term goals. This focused approach will prevent diffusion of effort and ensure that progress is made in meaningful directions. Breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps can aid in maintaining this focus and preventing overwhelm. On a broader level, the astrological influences suggest that this week is opportune for strategic planning and the refinement of existing projects. The combined energies of adaptability, curiosity, and focus create a fertile ground for innovation and problem-solving. Geminis who can effectively balance these three elements are likely to experience a highly productive and rewarding week. This astrological outlook serves as a guide, suggesting that by consciously cultivating these traits, Geminis can navigate the week with greater ease and success. The emphasis is on proactive engagement with the week's energies rather than passive reception. User impact. While horoscopes are often viewed through a lens of personal belief, the themes of adaptability, curiosity, and focus resonate broadly as valuable life skills applicable to anyone seeking to navigate the complexities of modern life and achieve personal or professional goals. These celestial insights offer a unique perspective for the week ahead. Now, let's wrap up with a quick recap of all the top stories. And that's a wrap on today's Essential Tech Updates. We saw how Willis Towers Watson's Gemini is aiming to revolutionize complex risk management in insurance. Google's Gemini app is enhancing user privacy with its new temporary chat feature. We also broke down the key differences between Gemini and ChatGPT to help you choose the best AI for your needs. Finally, we got a glimpse into the Gemini Weekly Horoscope for September, highlighting adaptability and focus. Hit that like button if you found this info valuable, subscribe for more insights, ring that notification bell so you don't miss out, and let us know in the comments which story grabbed your attention the most. You can also follow us on all social platforms for more daily updates. Thanks for watching ChatGPT Insights.